eBlaztr is a portable gaming desktop that combines high performance, ultra portability, and extreme cooling. It is the no-compromise solution for gaming anywhere you want. eBlaztr is equipped with the latest state-of-the-art desktop gaming hardware, such as an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, an MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card, 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD. It can run your favorite games with stunning graphics and smooth frame rates. eBlaztr has a unique and patented design that makes it easy to carry and set up. It has a 24-inch display, collapsible legs, large grip handles, a detachable hatch and a concealable wire door. It also has a remote I/O in a protective cover that features USB 3.0 ports, network connection, high-definition audio and an all-in-one power input. eBlaztr has a carefully designed case and strategically placed fans and hardware that allow for maximum airflow and optimal temperatures. It features the original AMD Wraith cooler that is near silent and has impressive thermal performance. It also has anti-slip and vibration feet, reinforced corners and protective shoulder pads that are made of durable materials. eBlaztr is built to last and easy to upgrade. The case and the materials used are sourced for maximum durability. The grid on the back is easy to remove with a simple click system. Replacing your hardware has never been easier. eBlaztr is the portable gaming desktop of the future. It is the product of a group of Danish gamers who wanted to challenge the status quo and create the ultimate gaming experience. With eBlaztr, you can enjoy gaming anywhere you go. In this section, I will show you how to choose the right eBlaztr model for your PC case and system. eBlaztr is a portable gaming desktop that combines high performance, extreme cooling and beautiful graphics in a compact design. It is the perfect solution for gamers who want to enjoy their favorite games anywhere they go. There are two main factors to consider when choosing an eBlaztr model: your budget and your gaming preferences. Depending on these factors, you can choose between three different models: the eBlaztr X10, the eBlaztr X20 and the eBlaztr X. The eBlaztr X10 is the most affordable model, but it still offers a great gaming experience. It has an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB graphics card, 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD. It also has a 24-inch display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. This model is ideal for casual gamers who play mostly online games or older titles. The eBlaztr X20 is the mid-range model, and it offers a significant upgrade in performance and graphics. It has an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, MSI GeForce RTX 2060 Super 8GB graphics card, 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD. It also has a 27-inch display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz. This model is ideal for hardcore gamers who play demanding games or stream their gameplay. The eBlaztr X30 is the premium model, and it offers the ultimate gaming experience. It has an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X CPU, MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Super 8GB graphics card, 64GB of RAM and a 2TB SSD. It also has a 32-inch display with a refresh rate of 240 Hz. This model is ideal for professional gamers who play competitive games or create content. To summarize, the eBlaztr models differ in their CPU, GPU, RAM, SSD and display size and refresh rate. The higher the model number, the higher the performance and price. You should choose the model that suits your budget and gaming preferences best. No matter which model you choose, you will get a portable gaming desktop that crushes even the best of gaming laptops. In this section, I will show you how to install eBlaztr in your PC case and connect it to your system. eBlaztr is a portable gaming desktop that combines high performance, extreme cooling and easy portability. It has a unique and patented design that features collapsible legs, detachable hatch, large grip handles and anti-slip feet. It also has a 24-inch display with 144 Hz refresh rate, a powerful graphics card and a fast CPU. To install eBlaztr in your PC case, you will need to follow these steps. Find a flat and stable surface where you can place your eBlaztr. Make sure there is enough space around it for ventilation and cable management. Press the mechanical release button on the handles and pull them out from the sides of the case. The handles will help you carry and position your eBlaztr easily. Flip the case over and locate the 4 steel rods that are attached to the bottom of the case. These are the landing gears that will support your eBlaztr when it is standing upright. Pull each rod out until it clicks into place. You will hear a sound when it is locked securely. Repeat this for all 4 rods. Flip the case back over and stand it upright on its legs. Make sure it is stable and balanced on the surface. Remove the protective cover on the back of the case that exposes the remote I/O ports. These include USB 3.0 ports, network connection, high-definition audio and an all-in-one power input. Connect your peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, headset and Ethernet cable to the appropriate ports on the back of the case. Plug in the power cord to the power input port and connect it to a power outlet. Detach the top access hatch on the front of the case by pressing the release button on the side. This will reveal the hardware I/O ports such as HDMI, DisplayPort and USB-C. Connect your monitor or TV to one of the video output ports on the front of the case using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. If you want to use an external speaker or microphone, you can also connect them to the audio output or input ports on the front of the case. Close the top access hatch by sliding it back into place until it clicks. You have now successfully installed eBlaztr in your PC case and connected it to your system. You are ready to enjoy high-performance gaming anywhere you go with this portable gaming desktop. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this.